In the beginning, all animals were of one color. There was no such thing as spots and stripes. They were all just one solid color. Among these solid-colored creatures, there was one that particularly stood out, the tiger. He was the color of the sun with eyes the color of the rainforest. This magnificent cat was at the top of the jungle food chain. Things remained in harmony for many centuries. The jungle prospered, and the tiger ruled them all. Then one day, a strange creature appeared. He was large and fierce. He fought the animals and killed them for food and for clothing. They called him the human. The tiger, being the courageous creature he was unafraid of this creature, and threatened him with a ferocious growl. For a long time, the human fled when threatened by the tiger, but he soon decided that it was time to kill this mighty creature. The human approached the tiger with his spear in hand. The tiger prepared himself, growling and bowing into his pouncing position. The tiger thought that this would work, as it usually did, and frightened the human into leaving. But something had changed in the human. He did not show an ounce of fear. His eyes were wild with aggression, and he had no plans to back down. The battle began at dawn. They fought each other fiercely, and their wild cries could be heard a mile away. The tiger knew he needed to win in order to survive, but his wounds were great. The human began to tire as blood flowed from his wounds. The battle ended without a victor. The human was the first to surrender as he retreated into the jungle. The tiger lay on the ground, covered in scratches, with large patches of missing fur in lines down his back. After a long period of rest, the tiger's wounds healed. They left behind stripes of black fur, tiger stripes. The tiger wore the stripes with pride, knowing that he had not been defeated. The tiger now wears these black stripes for all eternity, so no one will ever forget the great battle. But the human refuses to surrender. He could not stand the idea of being ruled by an animal. The human continues to fight this battle, and fights the tiger at every opportunity, killing them for their fur and destroying their land. The two of them are destined to live in war against one another. The tiger will forever remain a symbol of hope and prosperity.